I've been using the Galaxy S23 Ultra for a full 24 hours, and these are my impressions so far. It's Samsung's first phone to come with a 200 megapixel camera, and if you watch Samsung's Unpacked presentation, you know that Samsung is really playing up the video capabilities of this phone. Otherwise, you'll probably notice that the Galaxy S23 Ultra looks a lot like the S22 Ultra. It has that same boxy design, that same really big 6.8-inch screen, and that same S Pen, so there's a lot of similarities here. There's also a new processor in this phone that we're excited to try out. It's the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, but it's actually been optimized for these new Samsung devices specifically. And in terms of battery life, this has a 5,000 milliamp battery, just like the S22 Ultra. Anecdotally, I started out the day at 100%, and it's almost lunchtime, and it's down to about 90%. So we should be seeing decent battery life, but again, we're gonna have to really spend more time with it before we know for sure.